Seeing my name in lights, that would be a very special moment for me. I'm from Oterius, Pimento Walk. I love playing pool, going to the beach, chilling with my friends, and I love to smile. I actually grew up in church, so I started singing in church. So I just grew musically from church. It's my first time entering Digicel Rising Star. Actually, it was my friends who wanted me to join this year.
When he told me he was going to enter Digicel Rising Star, it was actually on the morning of the audition. He hid it from everyone in the house, especially my mom, because he was supposed to be at church.
At first, I thought he was in his bed sleeping, because most time now he sleep late and we have to leave him and then he come to church after. So that's about I was waiting to see him come to church, and every time I look, keep calling his phone, not getting him. When I came home the night after church, he just keep shying away from me, not coming around, and I said, Ryan, you didn't come to church this morning, you know. What happened? And he said, Mommy, everything will be okay. You know, I'm not going to forget God and I'm not going to leave my church. And, you know, so I just support him.
What I'm looking forward to the most is actually being on the stage, you know, being on live television and touring, of course.
Oh, Ryan is my neighbor and I love him so much. We are like one family. And I said to Ryan, you're gonna win this Digicel Star. And just big up yourself, Ryan.
Jamaica is going to fall in love with him because of his talent. He has a unique voice. So once his voice gets out there, then I think the whole Jamaica is going to fall in love with him.
Hi Jamaica, this is Oryan from Pimento Walk, and for me, it's all about being a star.